Welcome back. In this video, we're going to explore the volume of pyramids, cones, and spheres. And I have my capable assistant here who's going to help me out to explore our volume situation here. Now, we saw in prior videos that the volume of a prism is the area of the base times the height. So it didn't matter what the base was. Okay, if the base was a triangle, you can see how much we could put at the base, and then times the altitude or the height was its volume. And we could do that for figures with different bases. It didn't matter. Area of the base times the height. Yes, Ryan?
Am I supposed to understand this?
No.
Okay.
You're good. All right? So, what's going to happen if we took a pyramid, okay, we got a pyramid here, that is the same base and the same height as our prism? Our question is, Ryan, our question is,
how many of these can fit in the boat?
Yeah, how many of these pyramids can we fit into this prism?
Can I predict?
You can predict.
I think that it will take 2 of these to fit into this.
Really?
Yeah.
So, 2 pyramids of the same base and height will fit into our prism. Well, let's see. I've got some colored water here. I've got a funnel. We will fill our, let's get that out of the way. We will fill our pyramid with water. You could tilt it just towards you a little bit. Oh, actually, wait, that's good. Okay, we filled it?
Yeah.
All right. So now, Ryan, go ahead.
Here, I'll let you dump this in.
All right. And there's 1. It's going to be 2.5, huh? Let's try again. And 4. Okay. Go ahead, Ryan. It might be 3.
2 and 3/4.
2 and 3/4. Well,
I think we're gonna have an overflow.
okay.
We're gonna have an overflow.
We're going to have an overflow.
Yep.
Oh. 4. So, we were able to put 3 pyramids filled with water
3 7/8
into our prism of the same base and height. So that must mean that the volume of our pyramid is 1/3 of the volume of our prism, which then leads us to our formula. So the volume of our pyramid is 1/3 the volume of a prism of the same base and height. So the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 area of the base times our height. And our height is an altitude. And that will work with a pyramid of any base. Octagonal base, an octagonal prism, same base, same height, I can get 3 pyramids into that prism. So, let's try the same thing. Let's try the same thing with a cone. So we have a cone and a cylinder of the same base. Okay, Ryan, we'll make sure we've got the same base and the same height, same base and height. So our question is, Ryan, how many cones can we put in to the cylinder? What's your guess?
3.
You're guessing 3. Okay.
Wait.
Well,
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll try it. Go ahead. Let's get our cylinder out of the way. We'll fill our cone with water.
How can we prove it's not Gatorade?
Go ahead. We'll pour it in.
Oh no. We have a spill.
A little bit of a spill. Don't think it's going to make
It's
it.
gonna be 3. I'm telling you.
That's 1.
2. Whoa.
Okay, Ryan?
2. 3.
And
3.
3. So,
Come on. What? What? I got it.
got it?
Yeah. Close skills.
4, 4, 4. And look at that. Exactly 3. So we
That's
did
an overflow.
do not.
Yes, we do.
So,
Oh, never mind.
Cone.
Air bubbles.
a cylinder of the same base and height gives us 3 cones to fill the cylinder.
Yeah, go geometry. This is geometry, right?
We can see that the volume of the cone is 1/3 the volume of the cylinder of the same base and height. Therefore, the volume of the cone is 1/3 area of the base times the height, and the height is the altitude. And the base, of course, is a circle, pi r squared. And finally, our last formula is the volume of a sphere. And our volume of a sphere, Ryan, can you get the sphere out of the box there?
There's a sphere?
Mm-hmm. Excellent. So that's our sphere. So the volume of that sphere, how much liquid or anything can we fill that with? The formula for that is 4/3 pi times radius cubed. And how I differentiate that from the surface area of a sphere, since I know volume is 3 dimensions, this will be cubic units or units cubed, and this formula has the 3 in it. It has 4/3 and r cubed, so this is the 3-dimensional formula, so that is volume.
Dad, what
So
if
our
we tried,
volume of a sphere, 4/3 pi r cubed. Yes,
what if we
Ryan?
tried to put this into this?
Well, they don't have the same base, okay? So that's not going to be consistent. See, the key
Try it
here
anyway.
is the same base. So we'd have to use the triangular prism along with our triangular pyramid. So there is no real relationship between them. Thank you for your help. I appreciate it. And with that, we will see you in class.